Civil paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Code, Mian Channu. Ready? Start. Under English law, an advocate was conceded absolute privilege with reference to the words spoken or written in his professional capacity. Full stop. It seems that following the above principles, the British courts in India held that an advocate enjoyed an absolute privilege in respect of civil liability for words spoken or written by him in the course of legal proceeding in which he was engaged. Full stop. These principles of public policy and justice upon which the English view is based, comma, were not, however, comma, uniformly applied by the high courts in British India. Full stop. It is not always safe and proper to import in its entirety, comma, the rules of English law on this subject as principles of equity, comma, justice and good conscience. Full stop. No doubt, comma, upon the grounds of public policy and free administration of law, certain privileges are extended to the judges, comma, advocates and witnesses. Full stop. Now, comma, the question is, comma, as to what extent a lawyer should enjoy this privilege, question mark. Should he be given protection of absolute privilege, question mark. In other words, comma, can the question of malice, comma, malafidis and irrelevancy be raised with reference to words spoken or written by an advocate in his professional capacity? Full stop. The English courts have extended this privilege much more than was reasonably necessary to protect the interest or discharge of the duty of an advocate, which is the foundation of his privilege. Full stop. But, comma, it does not mean that he should also have the privilege of being malicious. Full stop. His duty is to assist the court, comma, to protect the interests of his client. Full stop. He, however, comma, should not be given a license to make such defamatory statements which are not pertinent to the discharge of his duties or to the protection of the interests of his client. Full stop. Where there are privileges, there are also corresponding obligations, and liability should not be allowed to degenerate into license. Full stop. The court has, comma, therefore, comma, to see whether what is said in response to a duty or right, comma, is quite connected with and relevant to the issue in question. Full stop. But, comma, if the statement deals with a matter which is not in any reasonable sense germane to the subject matter in issue, comma, the protection of privilege should not be extended to that statement. Full stop. This view will be more consistent with justice and legal principles. Full stop.